In 2025, India secured a significant $7.4 billion agreement with France for the procurement of 26 Rafale marine fighter jets from Dassault Aviation, aimed at strengthening the air power of the Indian Navy for aircraft carrier operations. The deal encompasses 22 single-seat and 4 twin-seat carrier-capable jets, along with essential weapons training and logistical support. Deliveries of these advanced jets are expected to take place between 2028 and 2030, marking a significant timeline for India's defense modernization efforts.